Alright, hey y'all, it's Khadija and I'm back. I'm back with another video.
Doesn't make sense now.
And in today's video, I know I've been slacking, but I had a lot of stuff going on in my life. A lot of personal stuff going on. So I literally couldn't make videos like at all. There was no way for me to make a video. So but anyways, that's a whole nother thing. But in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all this wig. I know I look a mess. That's because I'm a fix artist. But I'm gonna be showing y'all this glueless wig that I got off of Amazon for I think $98. I think something around $98 $100, something like that. But I got off of Amazon. And I'm going to show y'all how I put it on and style it because it's cute. And I like the hair is really good, y'all. The hair is really good. It's soft. And I actually shampooed and conditioned. Oh, it's hot. Hold up. Anyways, I actually shampooed and conditioned the wig. So it's like I deep conditioned it. I let it sit and all that. So the hair feels really nice. I'm about to show y'all. But I'm going to just show y'all me styling it, like how I lay it down. And it's a glueless wig, so I'm gonna try to make it look very, very good. And I'm gonna try it without edges first. But knowing me, like I love dramatic edges, so 9 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna make some edges on it, cause there's no like edges already. So 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna make some edges. But I'm gonna try something different and try it without the edges and see what it's giving. But I don't know if I'm gonna like it, you know what I mean? Cause I just know me, I know I love dramatic edges. So I'm gonna show y'all. So this is what the brand look like. It's called 4GIRL4EVERBEAUTY. That's the brand, I think. And in the box obviously comes the wig, but you also get some mink lashes. They is so cute, y'all. Some mink lashes and two HD wig caps, which I probably would not be using because I don't want to use the wig cap. I might use it like in the future, but today I'm not gonna use it because I'm not going nowhere. I'm just trying to like lay it down and style it. I'm not gonna really make sure it's like what's it called? I'm not gonna really make sure it's already ready to go for real, but y'all know what I mean. I'm gonna just get it so that I don't gotta do nothing to it. But they got like highlights right here, and the rest is brown. This what it look like once it's wet. But this is what the wig looks like. And as y'all can see, the lace is on point. So look, you can't see the knots or nothing. And I think it's called HD. It's HD lace, and it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, and all that. So you don't gotta do none of that. So here you go. You can't see none of the knots. And look, it's HD. So like you put it on top of your head. You're just gonna see your part right through the wig. So you don't gotta do all that like makeup stuff and all that. Super cute. Super, super cute. And this is a 24-inch. I gotta prepare my hair to even put the wig on. So I'm gonna braid my hair down flat, but I'm probably gonna fast forward because like I doubt y'all want to see that. I don't think y'all want to see me braid my hair down flat. So hold on. So the braids are not gonna be perfect because nobody's gonna see the braids because it's under my wig. So I'm not gonna like sit here and spend my whole day braiding down my hair. But for the most part, we're gonna braid my hair down so that the wig can be flat when I put it on.
I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires. I know.
Like I said, the braids are not the best, but it's pretty passable. Alright, I had to put on my little robe because it was cold. But next, I'm gonna go ahead and push. I don't know if y'all can see because the glare from the light is making me mad. Let's turn this way. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and push my edges back and just the loose hair because, like I said, they're not the best.
You got desires. I know.
That's what it's looking like, and the braids are just pinned up in the back. So I'm gonna go. Y'all, I've been having trouble putting this on, and I don't know why. It should be easy, but it's like the strap, cause my head big, y'all know that. But hold on, let me put. Go. We got it, girl. Where's the? Okay, there we go. Perfect. So. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Oh, I need the brush. I don't know where. Okay, never mind. I'm about to know where the brush went, but here we go. So let's brush this down. Y'all, this is a glueless wig, so it's not supposed to use like any glue. Ooh, it's puffy. It get real puffy when you brush it. That's why you gotta wet it. But anyway, it gotta come down far enough to where you cannot see your hair. Like, you don't want to see none of that natural hair poking out, okay? So, like, you see how you can see that right there? No, you don't want to see none of that poking out. I'm gonna use the wax stick first to, like, well, first of all, let's make sure this part is crisp, because we need a crisp part. So we're going to just put wax stick on the top of my hair.
You got desire.
We're about to plug it up so that I can start.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, they really had to talk inside. And then they been begging for shit, style. Keep my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she ride. This nigga's all kids old. Shawty on the drive and look like a limo. Every time we kick it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah.
So I'm just gonna take some freeze spray and lay down the front, even though it's glueless.
Like, oh yeah, Deepwave or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold.
Alright, y'all, so this is what the wig is looking like so far. So I'm gonna just use a little bit of foundation and literally just like pat it down the part.
I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go.
It's looking better already. So that it like looks more of my skin tone. Even though it's HD, I just want to make it. Alright, y'all, so this is the look after I wet it. Well, I did it. And it looks cute. I feel like I need some edges out, but for the most part, it looks cute. could do edges on this video, but like, if I wear it, when I wear this wig, I might put some edges on, so that it looks more natural, I guess. Oh, so right now, sorry y'all, I got caught up, but I'm putting some styling mousse in the hair right now, and this is just gonna make the curls look more defined. You know, don't put a lot. I just kind of put a lot in my hands, but I'm not gonna really use it all. But we're gonna rub that into my hair, and yo, it looks so cute. Like, I really did that. I think it's so pretty too. Y'all go check this company out. Their hair is like so nice. Like, their hair feels amazing. The curls are literally popping. Like, the curls are there. The hair looks amazing. Like, I have nothing bad to say about the hair. The wig is a success. The wig came out so cute. The lace, you cannot even see. You can't even tell this is a wig for real. Like, it literally blends in with my skin tone. Y'all, this is the end of the video. Go check them out. They got different colors and all that, and it's so cute. They got different colors, different types of hair. Like, this is Deepwave. You could get body wave. This is a 24-inch, by the way, but you could literally get any inch. Yeah, go check out this hair, y'all. I got it off of Amazon, so I'm gonna put the link in the description. Definitely go check them out. This wig is super, super cute. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below some tips that y'all seen me could have been doing wrong or whatever. Comment some tips on how I can fix it or whatever. And yeah, see y'all in the next video.
Got that ass too. Oh.